अब तो पूरा मतलब
So here we go again. Stepping inside the delightful fishing village of Cassis is a lot like stepping inside the impersonist painting. From the shimmer of water in the port to the pastel-painted buildings, and from towering chateaux that overlook the town to the delightful caverns that lurks outside of it, Cassis is a treasure for eyes. Cassis is a small provincial fishing village in south of France located about 45 minutes east of Marseille by car and about 45 minutes south of Aix-en-Provence. Known for its calends, beaches, and beautiful port, overlooked by medieval chateau.
this side. Come on. Come on, Jack.
The beach called the Grand Mare Beach in Cassis, the largest beach in the city center, around 200 meters long. This public beach is supervised in summer and offers a mixture of sand and gravel. It is located behind the port of Cassis between Square Gilbert Savon and the Mediterranean. It offers a beautiful view of Chateau de Cassis. This is a big sandy beach which is perfect for families. The sea is very shallow and there are roped off the areas to the beach reserved for swimmers only. It has also become one of the first beaches in France to introduce a complete smoking ban. Place de la Grande Mare does get extremely busy in summer and you are the best to either arrive early in the morning or later on in the afternoon to get a good place to stretch out. There are several restaurants and many activities to this beach. A small parking lot is also available behind the beach. The beach and the Mediterranean Sea. Here we have painted many range of famous artists including Winston Churchill, who learned to paint in Cassis before Second World War, French famous painters Rolf Duffy and Matisse, who traveled to Cassis many times from his home in Saint-Paul-de-Vence. The statue of Calendal is built on a single block of Cassis stone. The statue is a tribute to the fisherman. This statue, made by sculptor Cornu, dominated the beach of the Great Sea, and it was traditional to Cassidian conscripts to have their photo taken at his feet. It was destroyed in 1944 by the occupation troops during the liberation of Cassis, but the Cassidians mobilized to find their hero. In 1999, a new statue standing on the bright esplanade was completed by Bonnevive and inaugurated on June 24, 2000. The Cassis lighthouse is a landmark to this French coast and is situated at the mouth of the town's famous port harbour. Many tourists enjoy relaxing on the quay and watching the fishing boats, yachts and Calendal's tour boats sail through the narrow passage. The lighthouse at the Cassis Mole was put into service in 1946 after the destruction of the old one in 1944. It stands proudly at the entrance to the port. Many painters and photographers have paid tribute to the lighthouse. The raging sea, by strong east wind, throws impressive waves onto the building and offers a magnificent views. Cassis was and is still a small fishing port. Most of the beaches around Cassis are now given to the private beach clubs where you can rent out sunbeds. Cassis isn't exactly the image that comes to mind when you think of a typical town in Provence, but it is a lovely addition to any trip to the area. It took us approximately 3 seconds after strolling into the center of Cassis to become utterly smitten with it. The harbour alone would make Cassis worth visiting while exploring the south of France, an impressive feat for a town that is surrounded by plenty of other adorable coastal villages. It was beautiful and absolutely gorgeous at every turn. This was a great day out. A must visit if you are in Marseille. If you like my videos, please subscribe and thanks for watching.
वो वाला स्ट्रीट अभी छोड़ देते
कौन सा स्ट्रीट?
वो वाले स्ट्रीट पे हम बोल रहे थे
अब यार नेक्स्ट टाइम होगा वो मुश्किल है। Hey, what are you doing?